Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Welcome to my cocina. Today we are going to be making some of my favorite food, which is chili. Now, it is very hot outside, but I just enjoy the flavor of chili, and it to such a degree that I like to be sweating when I'm eating my chili. Now, I'm going to be making this chili so that I can have it later. Now, you can put those on like a loaded potato. You can put chili on a chili dog. You can even make chili cheese dog. Ooh, that's an idea. Maybe we'll do that next episode. In any case, today it's chili. So what are we going to be mixing into our chili? I am a chili with no beans kind of guy. I'm sorry about that. If you like beans in your chili, this is not your channel, okay? But this is the channel of chili without beans. So we're gonna be getting some ground beef. Here we are going to be using also some bacon. This is great dry cured sliced pork jowl. More flavor. And Poblano chili. We have 2 jalapeños. We have 1 Serrano, a whole onion. We're gonna have several cloves of garlic, mushrooms. This is a lot of ingredients, I'm telling you. Cholula sauce, that's right, yum, love me some Cholula. Worcestershire sauce, or salsa inglesa, like they say in Mexico. We're gonna have some beer, and we are going to have, what am I missing? Paprika. We are going to be adding some chipotle chili, dried chili. This brings a lot of smokiness to it. It smells delicious. And of course, some red chili powder. So if you like chili as much as I like chili, and maybe you're watching this while it's cold outside, then this is the recipe for you. So thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because I just know you're going to like this recipe. So here we go. Follow me. All right, let's start with our chili powder. We're going to put 3 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons. 1 scoop of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And you know what? I'm gonna add another teaspoon of chili powder. So that's 4 teaspoons of chili powder. We need a teaspoon of cumin. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of garlic powder in there as well. All right, these mini garlics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is actually part of that, so 9 garlic cloves. All right, my mise en place is done. Now we are going to start cutting up the bacon. All right, we have 4 pieces of this jowl bacon, and what I like about it is that it's a lot of meat in it. That just smells delicious. Man, if you get a chance, make sure you get some of this jowl bacon. At H-E-B, of course. Let me see here. H-E-B is not paying me to say this. I just love that grocery store. It's right near my house. And so anytime I get a chance, I go over there. My wife said I spend way too much time in the grocery store. All right. Put this in the pan. All right. We are going to put this on the pan. The pan is on a very low heat so that it can render all the oils, all the fats out of this bacon. Another added benefit of cooking your bacon low and slow is that it doesn't splatter all over your oven. This is a big deal. All right, one step I almost forgot. On my Poblano peppers, I am going to char the skin and then take off the charred skin. This helps with flavor. It's going to add a little smokiness to it. I'm going to do the same thing with the jalapeno and with the Serrano peppers. My Poblano pepper is nice and charred. I'm going to put that right here in this bowl. Squeeze it in the bowl. I don't want to use plastic, so what I'm going to do is put this bowl on, cover it with this one. All right, my bacon is where I want it to be. It's not crispy, it's just rendered. And I am going to take it off because I'm going to use it later on in the process. Boy, this is going to be award-winning Texas chili. Onions. Oops. Okay, if you could only smell what it smells like in the kitchen right now. I have the jalapeños toasting here to my left. I have these onions grilling or sauteing in the bacon fat. It is just amazing. So look, the onions are translucent. Now we're gonna put in the garlic. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms. I hope you can see this, but it's starting to brown on the edges, and this is what we're looking for. Starting to brown, and this is what gives it color. We're waiting for it to get a little bit more, and then we're gonna start adding the meats. Oh boy, what do you think? It smells good, it's browning, and I got those chilies that I chopped up. I charred and then I chopped up. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, so once you have it looking like this, which is kind of browned, sauteed, now it's time to add 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pound of ground beef. Oh yeah, here we go. Now once you have it like this, I highly recommend you leaving it just like this and let that browning start at the bottom of your ground beef. It's gonna add so much flavor, you are gonna enjoy it. You will thank me later. And while you're waiting for it to brown, go ahead and add your dry seasonings. Why not? All right, well, I forgot to mention the bacon. Now is the time to add the bacon. And the browning has already begun in the bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and break up the meat just a little bit more. Mixing up the spices and our vegetables. All right, as you can see, it's starting to brown a little bit. Now we're going to add some light, and we're going to add our wet ingredients. About 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1/4 cup of Cholula. Delicious. A tablespoon of Dijon and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And our beer, about 1/2 can. You know what? Let's put the whole can. Mix it up carefully. And let it simmer and collect flavor. This is called Flavor Town, my friends. Oh my goodness. Super Bowl, graduation, backyard party, friends over, family over. You make this, people are gonna wanna stay. We have not added any salt to this, but let's see what it tastes like without salt. I'm gonna use a potato chip. It's good. Spicy. That was 3 large pinches of salt. Here we go. We have our chili off to one side, and we're going to put the chili into the bowl. My goodness. Oh my. I'll tell you what smells the most here is the Chipotle chili. I can just smell it. It's just all over it. Put a little bit of the Chipotle cream here. A good pinch of cilantro to one side. And our chips. And there you have it. Amazingly delicious. All right, it took quite a bit of time to put all those ingredients together, but what we have at the end is an amazing bowl of chili. And you will agree with me once you take a bite of this, that there's no chili as delicious as this one. So I can taste the smokiness of the Chipotle chili, and then the heat of the Serrano. The sweetness of the bacon, and I enjoy the cream with the Cholula sauce, and the brightness of the cilantro. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna see if I can get everything together in one. bite. What do you think? This is killer. This, oh my goodness, I'm gonna take one more bite. I'm sorry. I know I'm not supposed to take so many bites, but this is irresistible. Now, what this wants to make me do is make a chili hot dog. So, what do you think? I'll make a chili hot dog the next episode of Mi Cocina. So, join me then. Thank you so much for joining me this time when we made this chili. It warms my soul to eat the chili. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, tell your family and friends about this amazing channel where it's just a regular guy cooking for you. Easy recipes, fun recipes, recipes that your whole family will like. Thanks so much. And until our next episode, which will be the chili cheese dog. Oh my goodness, chili cheese, add cheese. Chili cheese dog episode. Hasta luego, que estén bien. Bendiciones. Bye.